Senator Richard Gordon has refiled Senate Bill number 1549, also known as the Regional Investment and Infrastructure Coordinating Hub or RICH Bill in Central Luzon. The bill will encourage domestic and foreign direct investments in the region to reduce the impact of the COVID-19 crisis to the country's economy. Gordon describes Central Luzon as the ideal hub for major trade and investment due to its strategic location and its accessibility to international airports such as the Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA and Subic Bay International Airport. The establishment of Clark International Airport or CRK as an alternative gateway created huge developments in terms of reducing the congestion in NAIA, the country's main aviation complex. Gordon said the RICH Bill is aimed in developing sustainable communities where residents can live near their place of work and institutions such as schools, universities, and hospitals, among others, within close proximity. The bill was passed by both houses of Congress last year, but it was vetoed by President Rodrigo Duterte due to certain provisions on incentives that would pose substantial fiscal risk to our economy.
But we can fine-tune that bill. Especially, I think the president will agree to us because he knows that he needs investments. I read that they need revenues because POGOs have closed down and they lost about 10 billion. Can you imagine? We're talking about build as a policy. This is build. Infra zones in already where infrastructure has been developed. According to them, when this was vetoed, and I want to make sure the bill has several ways which would pose substantial fiscal risks to the country. I don't know what they were talking about. They were not specific. And then the second was a key to lasting economic development is a tax system with generally low rates and a broad tax base. This is precisely what we're doing. The tax system will be low and there will be a broader tax base because of the jobs. More jobs will mean more income taxes. More jobs will mean payment of real estate taxes for the houses. And narrowing, I think they were talking about national when they said they said low rates of taxes. They're talking about the corporate income taxes, which I support, from 32% to 25%, which we're going to support under CREATE.
Meanwhile, Gordon expressed his optimism that the bill, once signed into law, would spur economic development, boost tourism and employment, and will further promote entrepreneurship and create business opportunities for Filipinos.
I think that Central Luzon, which is so near Manila, is certainly a terrific candidate to attract investments, especially since Vietnam and Indonesia have been getting the investments from China. There is still a lot of land that can be developed. We have all the infrastructure that any investor would like to have.
The lawmaker said Central Luzon has plenty of unused lands that can be innovated and maximized by building infrastructures which will attract investors. Developing the region will also decongest Metro Manila. In other words, the progress in NCR would advance in Central Luzon. The Central Luzon Investment and Infrastructure Hub will replace the Subic-Clark Alliance for Development Council. This could further strengthen the existing BIZ Conversion and Development Authority or BCDA, along with 6 major economic zones in the region. Gordon said the main goal is to integrate the strength of all the provinces in the region to become a model that we can share with the rest of the country. He added this will guarantee the best jobs for people so they won't have to leave the country to seek their future in a foreign land. Meanwhile, we have yet to get the reactions of various sectors to the refiling of the RICH Bill.